Hey guys, it's Jay from J&D's Retirement Journey. Hope everyone's doing well. Please hit that subscribe button. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. That time of the month again, guys. Dividend income update for August 2023. AT&T, symbol T, paid me $428.45, a yield of 7.54, and a market value of 22,835. Global X covered call, QYLD, $84.54, a yield of 859, and the market value is 8,300. Realty income, symbol O, 89.69, 5.42 yield, and 25,428 invested. Gabelli Utility Trust, symbol GUT, $131, and yield of 8.88, and 17,983 invested. Abbott Labs, 52.88, dividend, 1.95 yield, $10,720 invested. ADV, symbol ABBV, $300.40 on the dividend. The yield is 3.99, and we have 30,117 invested. Apple, a whole dividend of $2.14. The yield is 0.51, and the value is $1,673. ConAgra, $77, yield of 4.65, value of 65.89. The Spider Bloomberg floating EFT here, $8.51, a yield of 431, $1,812. The iShares Treasuries, 5.81 is the dividend, $5.81. The yield is 3.81, and the value is $1,775. The Vanguard short-term Treasuries, dividend of $4.96, a yield of 231, and $1,677 invested. And the Vanguard total bond market EFT, dividend of $1.93, yield of 282, and $1,291 invested. Total yield of 4.57. Total dividends this month, $1,187.94. Total dividends year to date, $76.97.27. And total invested this month to get all these dividends was $130,206. Our goal is to get to $20,000 in dividends in the next 3 years, and we are a little bit over $15,000. So we keep it going, guys. Hey guys, it's just a quick summary of all the companies that pay me dividends. AT&T, last price $14.79 as of 8/31/2023. Their dividend is 7.54. And just take a quick look. I put up the 10-year chart. They're not doing good. If you could see, they're 42% in the negative compared to the S&P. So they're doing pretty bad. And I'm losing quite a bit of money on this one. I've been in it for many years. And the analysts basically have hold and sell ratings. Everybody has a hold. I don't know how Morningstar got a 5-star rating on this, but everybody has holds, and S&P Global has a sell rating on it. So be careful with this one. High dividend, but like I said, I've been in it for a long time. So I'm going to hold on to it, and hopefully things get better in the future. The Global X NASDAQ 100 covered call EFT, better known as QYLD, closed at 1750. The 52-week range, $15 to $18.16. The summary here, quick summary. A net expense ratio 0.6, 8.3 billion total assets, and it's been around for about 10 years. We go over to the yields. Pays a monthly distribution, 8.59, and the analysts are saying basically Morningstar rating 2-star, 3-year, or 1-star, so it's not rated too good. Historic average returns about medium and low risk, it says here. Guys, all this information is right off the Charles Schwab website. Do your research. Talk with your financial planner before you invest in anything. I am not a financial planner. Realty Income, the monthly dividend company. It's 56.19. 52-week range, 55.50 to 69. Another loser for me. I think my cost average is low 60s. So I'm losing here, but I'm a long-term investor. Holding on for the income. The 10-year chart, as you can see, the S&P just keeps killing all these companies. So if I was a young guy starting out, I would say just get a good S&P index fund and put your money in that. It's up 167% in 10 years, the S&P, and O is up 48%, so not too shabby, but not 167%, guys. Dividends, 5.42 annual dividend. It's $3.07, and they pay monthly, and it's 26 cents a month, really 25.5. The analysts are saying buy it, even though it's tanking. I bought more at 56. Another 25 shares. S&P Global, they have a 12-month price target of 66. Gabel Utility Fund, it's GUT, 6.84. It closed at 656 to 805, the 52-week range. This is one I really want to get rid of. The fees are way too high. 1.62 was a mistake. I got into this years ago. Fees are way too high. I want to switch it out with JEPQ. 5-year chart is up 16%, 96 cents. They pay a dividend of 5 cents a month. 8.88 is the yield. And Morningstar rates it a 3-star fund. Abbott Laboratory, symbol ABT. One of my favorites, even though I'm losing some money on this one too, but it's at 103.68. The 52-week range is 93 to 115.83. I've had this, years ago when I made a ton of money. Then I sold it, which I just should have held on to it because it's a good stock. As you can see by the chart, it's up 55% in 5 years, $37. Decent dividend, 1.95, $2.04. It pays quarterly 51 cents. And as you look at the analysts, they love it. S&P Global has a $130 price target in the 12 months, and Argus also has a buy on it. Avia, spin-off of Abbott Labs, another one of my favorites. I've been in this one for a while, making a nice chunk of change. Beautiful dividend, almost 4%. It's at 147.50. The 52-week range is 131 to 168. 5-year chart, it's up 56%, almost $53. Nice dividend, 3.99. $5.92, $1.48 a quarter. It's also one of SCHD's largest holdings. Also have some of that. The analysts are saying hold it. They have a price target, I think, of 150. Apple Incorporated, double APL. Closed at 188.63, 52-week range of 124 to 198. One of my biggest investing blunders. I sold it years back. I made like 50 points on it. but I had 500 shares. If I would have held on to that, it went up 4 times that. It would have been worth close to like $600,000 or $700,000 just alone. So one of my biggest investing mistakes. Remember, guys, if you're starting out, buy good companies and hold them forever. Dividends, unless something really drastically changes. But this is a prime example. 5-year chart up almost 240% in 5 years, $132. Oh boy, that is great. No, it's a growth stock, so you're not going to really see much of a dividend. 51, 24 cents a quarter, 96 for the year. And of course, all the analysts love this one. S&P Global has a price target of 220. Argus has a price target of 230. ConAgra, symbol CAG, it's at $30. Pre-market here on the first. 52-week range, 49.48 to 41.30. 5-year chart looks pretty crappy, down 18%, $6.45. The dividend is 4.65. They pay 35 cents a quarter. We're looking at what the analysts are saying. They're saying to hold it. The Spider Bloomberg Ultra Short Bond. $30.72, a 52-week range of 29.68 to 30.73. Ultra conservative. That's what my financial advisor said. I should get into some diversification here. It's basically flat over 5 years. They pay a dividend of yield of 4.31 monthly, about 15 cents a month. And it's a 4-star rated fund by Morningstar. iShares Treasury Floating Rate, TFLO Ultra Short Bond. It's at $50.59. The 52-week range is 50.28 to 50.75. The 5-year chart is basically flat 1% growth almost. Distribution yield of 3.81, 16 cents a month. And the analysts have it rated, Morningstar has it rated 4 stars and 3 stars. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like this content, and hit that thumbs up button. We're shooting over to the Vanguard Short-Term Treasury EFT. They close at 57.68, 52-week range of 57.31 to 58.93. The 5-year chart is down 3.5%, $2.10. They have a distribution yield of 2.31. They pay monthly 17 cents. And Morningstar has this fund rated 4 and 5 stars, which is great. The Vanguard Total Bond Market, EFT, BND, closed at 71.56, a 52-week range of 69 to about 75. The 5-year chart, they're down 9%, $7. Yield of 2.82, about 19 cents monthly. Morningstar has this fund rated a 3-star. Return average and historic, it's about right in the middle. They're both average. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, talk with your financial planner and do your research before you invest in anything. Good luck, guys.